In today's fast-evolving digital landscape, businesses need flexibility, scalability, and security to stay competitive. VMware Cloud provides a seamless way to manage workloads across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments while ensuring consistency and control. So why choose VMware Cloud? First, flexibility and workload mobility. VMware Cloud enables businesses to move applications across on-premises data centers and cloud providers without costly re-architecting. This ensures seamless scalability and business continuity. Second, cost optimization. With VMware's automation tools, organizations can optimize cloud resource allocation, reducing unnecessary spending while maintaining high performance. Third, security and compliance. VMware Cloud integrates zero-trust security models, microsegmentation, and encryption, ensuring data protection and regulatory compliance across multiple cloud environments. Now let's talk about real-world use cases. Hybrid cloud expansion. Companies can extend their existing VMware environments to the cloud for additional capacity without reconfiguring workloads. Disaster recovery and business continuity. VMware Cloud simplifies backup and recovery strategies with automated failover and minimal downtime. App modernization and DevOps. With VMware Tanzu, businesses can develop, deploy, and manage modern applications seamlessly across cloud platforms. Mergers and acquisitions. Organizations can quickly integrate IT infrastructure across multiple cloud environments without disrupting operations. By adopting VMware Cloud, businesses gain agility, operational efficiency, and a future-proof cloud strategy. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into VMware Cloud architecture and deployment models. Let's keep going.